My name is Taylor. I was recently diagnosed with interstitial cystitis, otherwise known as IC or painful bladder disorder. It's a very painful disorder. Doctors don't know much about it. They don't know what causes it, and they don't have a cure. I started looking into it and watching a lot of videos about I just wanted to get a better grasp of really what it was before I started, doing what my doctor told me to do. So I was watching all these videos, and a lot of the videos and things that I was reading were along the lines of what you can do to, kind of make yourself comfortable and how to live with it. And I watched enough of these videos, so I just thought, I don't think that I have to live with it. I think that there's got to be a cure. There has to be a cure for it. So I'm doing all of this research, and I really wanted to kind of document my journey because I am on the path to cure myself, because I refuse to live this way. This is very painful, very uncomfortable, and people can't quite understand. And you have to give up a lot of things to make yourself comfortable while you have this condition. You have to give up almost every type of food there is, which is probably the hardest part because you don't even know what to eat. You can't eat anything. You have to give up, going out and drinking with your friends because that's going to cause you a lot of pain. So that's being social. Of course, you can be, social other ways. Go out and get tea with your friends or get coffee. But hey, no caffeine, so make sure you get decaf. Be careful how much sugar is in it because that could really mess you up. So it's very complicated. Making love is very difficult. Can be very painful. The way that IC feels is like a constant bladder infection or UTI without, any cultures coming back positive for those things. It takes kind of a long time to be diagnosed, so if you think that maybe you have this, definitely ask your doctors. They may not even know much about it, so do your research. This is just an introductory video. Like I said, I want to document my journey, and if I can research enough people that came up with little cures to help themselves, and I can make a specific cure to help, all of us, or even just me, that can help you as well. I'm just hoping to really kick this thing's ass because I just don't accept it. I refuse. I refuse to live this way. I am not 80 years old. I am 22, and I don't deserve this. I've been living with this for a year. I have my suspicions as to how I got it, which isn't, it's a little bit on the personal side. If you have questions, feel free to contact me, and I will definitely talk about it. It's not really something I should put on the web due to privacy issues of previous people in my life. So with all that said, before I go, I wanted to introduce this Alchemax. This is alkaline drops that you put in your water. You put about 10 drops in your water. This is very important to keep with you. I keep it in my purse. There's so much going on with our bodies. Our bodies are so very toxic with this condition. We're just not functioning the right way. We need to be alkaline. So this is important, and if you can afford to get this and the alkaline strips that you can get them at any health food store. Whole Foods, I saw them in there a couple days ago for I think maybe like $17, I think. It's really important to yourself. If you can keep yourself alkaline, it's going to help you with a lot of the pain. So there's that, and I hope that you follow my journey. Let's do this. Let's kick this thing's ass.